How to remove account restriction on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Facebook application first and get logged into your Facebook account. Scroll below and expand the option of Settings and Privacy. Here tap onto Settings. Then tap on See More in Accounts Center. Here tap onto Personal Details. And here you will see Identity Confirmation. Tap onto it. Now, in order to remove the account restrictions, you have to confirm your identity. Now, the next thing you can do to remove the account restriction is by tapping on this Help button. Simply tap on Help and Support, tap on Report a Problem, tap on Report Problem again. And here tap on Include. Under here, select Privacy and describe your issue that even though you have not restricted any terms and conditions, Facebook is still restricting your account. If you have any photo, then you can tap on Upload from Phone and upload the photo where you are facing the issue. Once done, tap on to Send. And also be noted, sometimes account restrictions are temporary, so if you wait for a couple days, the restrictions will be automatically lifted. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.